Hey, welcome back to Joyce Michelle. I am her, Joyce Michelle. So we have another Get Ready With Me, and it is featuring those camo pants from Fashion Nova. Now, I did stick to the makeup that I did the last time, but you know, I will still put the links for everything. Everything will always be linked either through LTK or either through ShopMy. So I have all the products ready and down in the description for you. So I pulled out a hat that I got from Shein probably 2 years ago. The guy got me hat. So I just donned her. I have my hair in a ponytail, got the makeup going. I got a couple of new pieces from Shein as far as the necklace, the earrings. I've had this ring already for a minute and this bracelet. So hopefully you all will enjoy the look. And I did pull out one of my old purses, but I couldn't find this purse, so I did link another one, a Birkin inspired. So I think y'all will enjoy that. Let me see, anything else that I need to tell y'all about? No, y'all just enjoy this makeup look, this Get Ready With Me. Enjoy everything. Everything will be posted down in the description box. And talk back to me in the comments. I see some of y'all are coming around talking to me, so talk back to me in the comments. Let me know if you like the makeup look. I actually did some extra on the makeup. So after I did my regular makeup, I actually did a little bit more blush and a little bit more bronzer using two palettes that I've already had, which are the Juvia's Place palettes. So this is the volume number 2, and I used this color that went with the Hope from Rare Beauty, and then the bronzy and dark, and I just used the top color to put a little bit more depth in the cheek in the that area. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. So can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. This world can be an ugly place. Sometimes it brings out the worst in us. But when I see your pretty face, it all fades away. Yeah. Let me climb up your mountains. Let me search through your valleys. I got my eyes wide open. Baby, don't hide. Baby, keep the lights on. Baby, keep the lights on. Can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. Baby, keep the lights on. Baby, keep the lights on. And can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. I wanna see your body move. Yeah. I wanna see your body move. I wanna see your body move. Oh, I gotta see your body move. So can we keep the lights on? And baby, keep the lights on. And can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. Can we keep the lights on? And baby, keep the lights on. And can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. All lights on you. All lights on. And can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit lie? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no that way. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, yeah. Waiting by the curb, too upset to drive it, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body, too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone.